I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and app so the removal can proceed without surprises. First, make a full backup and verify app and OS versions. This prevents data loss and compatibility errors. Once done, gather login credentials and the phone or email used for account recovery, because you'll need them if authentication is required. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging when the method requires a PC tool. This grants the access necessary to run the unlock utilities and view logs. You now perform the core removal steps carefully to avoid bricking or data loss. Start by choosing the least invasive method, official account recovery if available, otherwise a trusted unlock tool. Connect the device to your PC, run the tool, and follow each prompt, allow permissions and watch the logs for errors. Make sure to remove app administrator privileges in system settings before uninstalling, otherwise the app will resist removal. If the tool clears credentials, verify account sign-in afterward to restore normal access. You finish by validating the device and fixing any lingering issues so the app lock is fully gone. Reboot the device, confirm the app is removed or unlocked, and sign in to accounts to ensure services work. Then restore your backup if needed. If the lock persists, record error messages and retry with a different trusted tool or use safe mode to disable startup protection. Make sure to consider a factory reset only as a last resort, because it permanently erases local data and requires restoring from backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.